Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to tell you how you can fix friends invitation in Fortnite. So let's jump right into it. Alright, so first of all go to your Fortnite lobby. Then you're gonna go to your settings. After that you have to go to account and privacy. Now simply change the friends invite permission to anyone, and there you go. As you can see, now I can accept friends invitation and also can send friend request to anyone. So this is basically how you can fix the friends invitation on Fortnite. Hope you liked the video. If you like the video, make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.